Hi and welcome to 60 Seconds At, a series of 60-second videos in and around the Lake District. To keep up to date, please subscribe. This video was recorded over the Easter weekend of 2019 while the Easter Cross was on display. The beacon is an impressive tower above Penrith, about a 1-mile walk from the top of Fell Road. Penrith's stone beacon is one of the most recognisable landmarks in the Penrith area, and marks the spot where countless beacons were lit over the centuries to warn the population of potential raids. Once there, you are also rewarded with magnificent views over Penrith and on a clear day to Eden Valley and the Lake District Fells. It is likely that a beacon in some form or other has been sighted here since 1296. The first beacons were piles of wood and branches and then replaced by pitch boxes. The present monument was built in 1719 and replaced an earlier structure on the same site.